Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Achieving Alpha, and this is a pretty exciting video for me because in this video I am going to share a strategy with you that can generate guaranteed monthly income using futures and options. Yes, you read that right. It's a zero risk, sure short profit strategy, and yes, this is not a clickbait. I will prove it soon. So whenever we talk about a zero risk strategy in stock market, that is only possible through future arbitrage. Now what is this future arbitrage? We'll discuss soon. So who is this strategy for? So this is basically for the people who cannot spend time tracking the stock markets and want to generate a monthly income on some savings which sits idle. This could be basically used by the full-time job doers or by housewives or basically by anyone who doesn't have the time to track the stock markets. This is also for the people who do not want to put their money on risk and want a fixed return no matter what the market does. So the market could crash, the market could rally, doesn't really matter. We are going to get a fixed return at the end of the month. Then this is also for the people who understand the arbitrage opportunity and want to earn more than a 4% per annum on a savings account or more than a fixed deposit in a totally risk-free manner. So I am using this term future arbitrage. Now what is this thing? So basically it is nothing but the difference between the spot price and the future price of a particular stock. So let's pick Reliance for example. So let's say that Reliance is currently trading at 1963. So this 1963 is basically the last traded price of Reliance, or basically the spot price of Reliance. Now the future price of Reliance might be more than the spot price or it might be less than the spot price. We really don't care. All we care about is the difference between the spot and the future, and that's what we are going to use to our benefit. Now I would suggest you to deploy this strategy at the very beginning of the month to earn maximal returns and guaranteed returns, of course. And I would suggest you to use it with the stocks that have the highest difference between the spot price and the futures contract price. Now I guess this was all theoretical and you did not really like it. All you care about is the strategy, so I'm going to show it to you now. Yeah, so first of all, go to Google and type arbitrage opportunities. Open this link by Money Control and you get a list of some of the stocks. So as I mentioned, you need to do this with the stocks that have the highest difference. So just do a sort by the basis percentage and you get your list. Now one thing that I would like to highlight here is that it's almost the end of December. It's only 4 trading days remaining, and therefore if we try this now we might not get a lot of return, but I can guarantee that if you do this at the starting of the month you can generate some really handsome return for yourselves. So let's do it anyways. So I'm opening Opstra, which is basically a future and option simulator, and the first stock that we are going to see is UBL, or United Breweries. So all that you need to do in this strategy is first of all you short one lot of future and then you buy a call option of the strike price which is closest to the spot. So the spot is currently at 111.32 sorry. So let's see what we can buy here. I think we can go with 1140. So buy one lot of call option of 1140 and you sell a put option of the same strike price. So you can see this is what we get. This is going to give you a short profit of 2065 rupees, and you can see that we have only 4 days remaining in December. Still it's giving you a really good return on your invested capital, which will be around 32,000. This might vary. I would suggest you to check it with your particular broker. Every broker has a brokerage calculator, so I think you can check it there, or a margin calculator. I'm sorry, every broker has a margin calculator. You can check it there. And let's take another example. So let's go with Glenmark. Again same thing, short one lot of future and the spot is currently at 498. So I think we can go for a strike price of 500. Yeah, so buy one lot 500 call option and sell one lot of 500 put option. This is it. Boom. You can see that here also with just 4 days remaining in December we are still able to make 2.4k, which is like great. And as mentioned, do this at the start of the month on the stocks which have the highest difference between the spot and the future. You are going to love this. So I think this is it, and let me show you that you should not do this when the difference of the spot and the future price is not that high. So let me show one example of that. So let's take Bajaj Finserv. And again, you would buy a call option of 9,000 and you can sell a put option of 9,000. So you can see that the difference isn't that great, and you can see that the difference between the spot and the future, it's not even 0.01%. So you can see that you're not getting that great of a return here. So I would suggest you to do this at the start of the month on the stocks with the highest difference, and you can generate a fixed monthly income for yourselves in a totally risk-free manner. And this capital, as I said, might vary. You should check it at the margin calculator of your respective broker. And I would say that this is great. You can try it with more lots because this is entirely risk free, and this is a great strategy that can be really helpful for people who cannot track the stock markets. So I would say that this was an amazing strategy. Go test it first, go try it out, and start with one lot, as I say. And if you see good results, and if you think that this is profitable, increase the quantity. This is great for people who cannot track the stock markets and for people who are afraid of taking any sort of risk. So I think this can generate a monthly income for you, and this can be great. So I hope you like the video, and I think you are liking the content. So please spread the word and share it with people who you think might benefit from this. So yeah, I guess that is it for this particular video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe for more such content, and please like the video if you like it, because these likes are really sort of motivation for me to keep on generating this useful content for you guys. So yeah, thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.